guys, this is Ashish once again with you at Futurz4x4 Mumbai. Here we are with this beast looking Ford Endeavour with me, which we have converted into a Raptor, and today we are going to give delivery of this beast to the owner of this vehicle, Mr. Sheikh Ji, and we'll just hear from his mouth what he has to say for Futurz4x4 for his vehicle and everything, how was his experience. So sir, welcome to Futurz4x4.
Thank you, Ashish.
So you had come with a Ford Endeavour. This is a 2017 Ford Endeavour, and we have converted it into a Ford Raptor now. So can you please tell me, sir, what is your feeling right now? How is it matching to your expectation?
Certainly. So I think to begin with, the Ford Endeavour is a very rugged car anyway, right?
It is.
I wasn't sure what value can be added to it, but what we have done is taken a rugged car and converted it into a full-on beast, and I just absolutely love it.
Thank you.
Not just in looks, but we did the test run as well, right?
Yes.
Everything from the suspension to the wheels, the tires, the wind booster. A whole different experience, like a rally car now. Love it.
And how you like the look of your car, sir? Before it was a normal Ford Endeavour, and now this is the look.
Now
what
it's
do
a
you have
Hulk.
to say?
I love it. It's a hulking beast. It's hard. I just keep staring at it. I know I'm talking to you, but my eyes keep going there just because I can't peel my eyes off.
That's nice. That's nice. So Sheikh Ji, just one very small question. You have been to Futurz4x4. I am sure you have a very good experience. Where you rate this experience in the range of 1 to 10, sir?
10 on 10. I mean, the reason I came here is through referral, right?
Yeah.
And you have done a job for someone else.
Yeah.
He rated
That's your brother, Mr. Shan.
Absolutely. It's my Pajero. And he rated you very, very highly. And he was like, if you want to model your car, the only place you should go is Futurz.
Thank you.
Blindly, I'm here.
Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you for this beautiful job.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity, sir. We look forward for more
such
opportunities. Thank you so very much, sir. So this is Ashish and Futurz4x4. For this kind of modification and this kind of customization on your vehicle, please do contact us. Thank you so very much for watching this video.
Так дать пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один прогуляюсь без тени.